Hello, paratroopers, 173rd Airborne Brigade. I'm Sergeant Poos, and today I'm going to show you how to roll your air items. Lay out all your air items. You should have one hook pile type lowering line, two adjustable D-ring attaching straps, one harness single point release, and two female portion leg strap release assemblies. So the first thing you want to do is attach the female portion leg strap release assembly to the male portion leg strap release assembly, just like that. Do the same for the other, just like that, and then place them to the side. Okay, now you're going to grab your release handle assembly and you're going to wrap it around your equipment retainer strap right over here. So do one full rotation where your release handle lanyard is wrapped around, just like that. Okay, now you're going to grab your release handle cables and you're going to route them under your release handle lanyard right over here. And then you're going to route them through your red attaching loop right over here. There it is, just like that. All right, so now we're set up. We're going to continue that rotation along the line of this equipment retainer strap. So just continue rotating it just like this, all the way through. So do it all the way, and then again, just like that. And then, so I'm just like to make it tight right here, and then for that last rotation, just under, just like that. All right. Okay, okay, okay. All right. There it goes, all the way to the end. Get that rotation. All right, there it is. Now, make sure that the excess webbing is tucked outside, not tucked in. So just like that. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your friction adapters and you're going to fold that over just like this. Okay, over your release handle assembly, just like that. Now, tuck in your release handle, just like that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to continue that rotation all the way to the end. So here, come over just like this. And now pay attention. Right here, it's important that your adjustable cross strap is exactly in the middle of your roll. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix what I need to fix to make sure that that stays in the middle. The reason being is that you're going to have your two adjustable D-ring attaching straps hooked to the side to hold it all together. So you don't want this in the way. All right, so that looks pretty centered to me. So I'm just going to leave it just like that. Now, you're going to grab your closest adjustable leg strap right over here. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in just like this, and I'm going to make sure that my quick release buckle is to the right of my adjustable cross strap right over here. Okay, so right over here. Okay, I'm just going to do that just like that. And I'm going to throw this over just like this. There it is. All right, I'm going to grab my equipment retainer strap and throw that over. There it is. I'm going to do the same for over here for the second one. And now for the second adjustable leg strap. Okay, with that quick release buckle, I'm going to bring it in and I'm going to have it sized to be right over here just like this to the left of my adjustable cross strap. Okay, so one's on the right side, one's on the left side, just like this. Okay, all right, make sure it's sized right. There it is. That looks good. Kind of tighten it all down over here. And looks straight. All right. All right, there it is. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to continue rolling. So just like this. Just going to continue rolling. And keep it tight. All right, keep it all together. Okay. And just like that. There it is. Keep rolling. Okay. And keep rolling all the way to the end. Make sure that all stays straight together. Okay, there it is. All right, so that is what it looks like, okay? I like to have it like this. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab two retainer bands. So here's for, let me see. Here's for 1 and 2. All right. I'm going to girth hitch these two retainer bands together. So index, thumb, pinch one, pinch the second, pull. Okay, just like that. I'm now going to place my adjustable D-ring attaching straps just like this. Just like that. I'm going to place my hook pile tape lowering line on top, just like this. it is. And now I'm going to place my roll on top. Okay, I'm going to place it right there. Okay, just on top, just like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my retainer bands on my snap hooks at the base of them, just like that. 1. And then 2, just like that. All right. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my triangle link and place it flush right here at the top. And I'm going to pull the excess here, and I'm going to reach over with my snap hook and attach it. Okay, I'm just going to hook it on there. There it is. There's for one. And then now for the second. Just going to bring it flush right here. Okay, flush with the top like that. And I'm going to come in over here and hook it on. Okay, so the reason why I have the retainer band is that if one of these two come loose, well, it'll not fall off the side. It'll be held in by the other one. The reason why I have the excess webbing right over here is that the retainer bands are now holding it down, just like this. And also, having the friction adapter aligned with the two snap hooks like this is aesthetically pleasing. All right, so now I'm just going to tighten that up. Make sure that that excess webbing stays tucked in. You could also bring it in backwards on itself. All right, guys, so all in all, you have the retainer band holding the two adjustable D-ring attaching straps together to avoid having them fall off. Now, you also have an alignment with the friction adapter with the two snap hooks right over here. I like to have the hook of the two snap hooks grooved in to the Fastex buckles, so the quick release buckles right over here into those grooves. And on the opposite side, I roll my hook pile tape lowering line on itself just like this, and it's secured properly. The retainer band, I have it on this side just like this to hold down the excess webbing just like this. So there it is, guys. This is how I roll my air items for storage.